Hi children, today we are going to learn a poem number 3, Modern Machinery. Okay, let us proceed towards the pre-reading activity. Think of 5 activities you can do without the help of any kind of machines. Very funny, I think you will not be able to find it out. Just pause the video and try to think. Can you do any work without the help of machineries? Think of 5 activities you do with the help of machines. This is very easy, isn't it? What are the damages we face when we don't handle a machine properly? What are the damages we find? Do you remember accidents? Blasting of mobile. Okay, these are all what are the effects? What are they? They are damages pertaining to the machines. Okay. Now second means find out different kinds of experiences in the following activities. Traveling in a car and bullock cart. Calculating a sum mentally or by using a calculator. If you do this, you will be knowing the difference. Drawing a picture by hand or using a paintbrush in the computer. Okay, just think over all these experiences. Before I could proceed towards this poem, I would like to give some information about this poem. In this poem, a machine lists out the strengths and limitation of machines. So I am giving you some information before we could proceed towards this poem. In this poem, a machine lists out the strengths and limitations of the machines. It relates how machines are made, how they are made to work, the things that do, their limitations, and what would happen if they are not used properly. See, in this poem, we are going to list out some of the strengths, that is benefits of machines, and at the same time it has some disadvantages as well. And we are going to learn if we mishandle these machines, what are the consequences we are going to face. That we are going to learn in this poem. The metal ore is taken. See how these machines are made. Without metal we can't make any machines, isn't it? Now let us proceed towards our poem. What is the name of the poem? Modern Machinery, isn't it? Read and enjoy the poem. We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and brought and hammered to design. We were cut and filled and tooled and garbed to fit. Okay? What did you understand? Again I am reading for you. We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. We here refers to machines. Machines are talking. Machines are talking to you. It is trying to convey the information. Okay, we are taken from the ore bed. That means from the earth. How we take from the earth metals? By mining, isn't it? By mining we do this. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. I think in your chemistry class you might have learnt how metals are melted, how they put into the furnace, different kinds of degrees. Then it will be put into the furnace, refinery. They separate all the particles, waste particles and the pure metal, isn't it? That is what it is here in this poem is trying to explain you. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. Okay, we will be melted and we will be separated. We here, who are we? Machinery. We were cut and filled and tooled and gouged to fit. What machines are do? What machines are done? First, they will be put into the liquid form. Then they will spread into the sheet, and they will be cut and filled, tooled, isn't it? They will be kept very many kinds of machines inside, and then they will be gouged to fit. Measured. Gog is nothing but measured. How to measure? How much inches should be there? If you see your washing machine, refrigerator, and television, all it has some measurement, isn't it? 34 inches, 40 inches, 52 inches, isn't it? Television. It is measured and fixed. It is not not uncalculated. It has everything calculated. How many inches length, width should be there? Everything will be calculated. Okay. So, first how the machines are brought? How machines are made? They will be taken from the mine, from the ore bed. From the earth it will be taken, then it will be furnace, that it will be filtered, then it will be melted and given different designs, and they will be cut, and they will be finally measured, and they will be fixed. That is how the machines are made. Okay. Now let us proceed towards next stanza. Some water, coal and oil is all we ask. What it is asked? They need some water, coal and oil in order to melt and bring into different shape. See, if you see the shape of washing machine is different from refrigerator. They are different from mixer grinder, and they all are different from the ceiling fan or table fan, isn't it? Yeah, it requires, how to give this shape? Requires some water, coal and oil. See, coal is to heat and make it liquid. So, machines require water, coal and oil in order to ask them which shape they want. And 1/1000th of an inch to give us play. And they need thousands of inch will be made. The metal is extracted, the molted metal is molded and shaped, and with the help of the hammers, it is beaten and given a definite shape according to the design. Okay, that is how they do. And now if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 24 hours a day. If you keep up, first it will be melted, hammered and made different shapes and made it proper machine. And after making machines, what will happen? Machine give us work 24 hours. 4 and 24 hours. That means 4 and 20 hours. That means what? 24 hours it will give you work. Isn't it? If you are using it properly. If you don't use it properly, it will spoil within a day, within an hour. Isn't it? We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. Machine can be pulled. Which machine will pull out? Bulldozer. Haul. What is haul? Drag. Drag a lot of force. What it will drag lot of force? Again, big lorries. You can carry, trains. It pull lot of even goods and people, isn't it? And push, lift and drive. It will push also, isn't it? It will push if you want. If it will lift you half. It will lift you wherever you want. It will drive, no doubt. We have all of us have vehicle. It helps us to what you can say, it helps us to place us our place where we need, isn't it? It helps us to take us our designation, isn't it? We can print and blow and wave and heat and light. It can printouts you are getting. Machines can print, blow. You are eating food because of machine blowing. Tractors. Wave. See, you have waving machines. Cloth waving machines, without which you cannot wear the cloth. No doubt. It is giving you heat. You have heaters at home, you have geysers at home, and even some country have some machine which heats whole house. Okay, ACs. And light also. Do we have lights at home?